going to about function define and calling define and calling function. Today I am going to about define and calling function. What is and basic function? What is function? What is function? Function are self-contained chunks of code. Function are self-contained chunks of code that perform a specific task. You give a function name that identify what does, and this name is used to call the function to perform its task when addressing. And what is defining calling function? When you define a function, when you define a function, then we are going to create a function. When you define a function, suppose greet, we can name greet that have parameter person, which is type string, and then return string. Return this is screen, return statement, return this is a string. So hello plus person, and hello plus operator use plus person, and hello plus person. You can function is create the define function. This is a function define function. This is the define function. And use of calling function. Calling function. Define when you define a function, you can optionally define one or more name typed values that the function takes as input known as parameter. You can also optionally define a type value that function will pass book on a value. So this is a function self-contained chunks of the self-contained chunks of the code that perform a specific task. So we can perform calling function. Then we are going to create a print statement. So calling greet, our function is greet that have person. So person, this is the type of string. Person which is name and hello which is name is Khan. We can run hello Khan. This is a function define and calling. Thank you for watching this video.